Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace all the interior bulbs on your Corolla IM or Scion IM. The only tool you will need is a small flathead or trim tool and the replacement bulb of your choice. You will need 4 Festoon shaped bulbs sizing between 28 to 31 millimeters and 2 T10 shaped bulbs to do all the interior bulbs, and as a bonus you can get 2 more T10s for the license plate lights, which I have covered in another video. If you're looking for the bulbs, I will have affiliate links for them below. Before going over each lens, I'm going to tell you how to replace the bulbs since it may be repetitive for some locations. For T10 style bulbs, just simply pull them out and push them into the socket. For the Festoon shaped bulbs, one of the tabs should have a bend to it that you can compress to drop the bulb out. To reinsert the bulb, you can place the tip into one of the holes, then slide the other side into place. The tab's compressibility will help you install it and keep it in place. When handling a halogen bulb, you may want to use gloves to prevent your hand oils from getting on it and creating hot spots. And when it comes to LEDs, make sure you give it a test to make sure you have the correct polarity. If not, simply reinsert the bulb the other way around. Now before we get started, make sure you get in the car quickly and turn off the lights so they don't heat up and burn your fingers. Starting with the front map lights, let's take a look at the lens. As you can see, on the outermost side, there's a tab that slots into this hole. And on the other side, there are these 2 claws that grab onto these bars. So there's really only one way to remove them. You'll want to take your tool and pry the lens off from the center of the car. It should just pop off to expose the bulb. To put the lens back in place, put the outermost tabbed side in first, then press the center side in place as they should click. Moving on to the vanity mirrors, the lens has a cutout on the windshield side that you will use to pry it out. And on the other side, there is a larger tab that slots into this hole. Now take your tool to the windshield slot and pry the lens out. To reinstall it, you'll want to slot the larger tab side in first to the hole closest to your seat, then push the windshield side in. Now going to the center dome light, the lens is nearly structured the same with its tabs and slots. So working from the switch side, look for the slots to pry the lens off. To reinstall the lens, just put the tabs on the opposite side of the switch hole into the holes, then pop the other tabs into place. Moving on to the last light in the trunk, take your tool and get under the lens on the interior side to pop it out. Then press the tab on the connection to disconnect it. Now to remove this gray cover, there are 2 grab points on the connection side and 1 on the other side. On the connection side, peel up and out these 2 arms. On the other side, peel back the tab and the cover should come right out. To put the cover back on, just snap it back over the top. Then reconnect the wire and slide the housing in wire first, then pop it into place. That's all there is to it. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.